Yeah.
Hold up. Hey.
Yeah.
It's freestyle shit. You know what I'm saying? Freestyle shit.
Yeah.
This shit, we ain't writing. This shit comes straight out the brain. You feel me? You dig? Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
I'm feeling myself. Masturbation. You bitches pussy. Aggravation. You know I fucked up, but I came back. Like, bitch, what's up? Look. I need the whole right fucking now. Get on your knees, so and suck me fucking down.
Yeah.
You a nasty little bitch. Now I'm about to pass it to my fucking nigga. The whole clique.
Yeah. I say now I'm on this fucking beat. I already know they call me 10B. I don't trust the bitch, and I don't trust the soul. If you try to play him, kick it down your fucking door. Yeah, I got the hammer on the fucking side. This some freestyling shit. I got the hammer on the side. Yeah, I'm smoking on that loud shit. Got me fucking lazy. This some freestyle shit. Got me going fucking crazy. Man, I love this fucking beat. Yeah, I'm fucking freestyling. Yeah, I'm on this fucking beat. Yeah, I gotta kick it every day with my pops. Yeah, we smoking loud every motherfucking day. Yeah. Hold up.
Fucked up and I came in. You backed up and I backed in. The fucking driveway. Then I got out the car, then I got the gun spraying at that bitch nigga. Cause he's a hoe, and everybody fucking know. They already know they drove up. Nigga, when I come through, nigga better look at me like you're supposed to. Cause look, that fake mug you got in your grill, nigga. Fuck around, get your damn self killed, nigga. I've been doing this for a long time. Now I'm freestyling, I'm putting it on your mind. Nigga, I'm on my grind. Nigga, gotta shine. And I'ma tell you right now, bitch, I'm about mine. And you can try me if you want to. I got the fucking pistol, I'm gonna pump you. I'm gonna put them bullets all in your face. And I'ma tell you right now, bitch, I catch me a case. And I beat that bitch, be right back home. Nigga be like, damn, did he snitch? No, bitch, I had that money for that fucking lawyer. And nigga got me out, bitch, I got a quarter. Quarter key, nigga stash. And I'm about to break that bitch down, I'm about to get the fucking trash bag. Stash that bitch again. And nigga, if you come and play with me, bitch, I'ma do it again. Oh shit.
Bitch, I'ma do it again. I said, bitch, I'ma do it again. I said, bitch, I'ma do it again. You try to play, I'ma push your wig back again. I'm coming through the fucking mall, know I'm gon' ball, to the raw, I fell off, but now I'm back on. You know I'm smoking on this, I was strong, I ain't gotta write shit, I get it out the mind, I'm progressing, look, okay, I love this fucking beat, hey, I say I love the fucking beat, hey,
The beat going on, but it's all good.
All good.
The beat going on, but it's all good.
It's all good. Hey.
Cause nigga, I'm still hood. Cause nigga, I'm still hood.